Hi friends, welcome to our channel Total QA. In our totalqa.com website, in the channel mainly we have posted multiple playlists. You can refer to the playlist for Jenkins, Selenium WebDriver, Java, TestNG, GitHub, REST API tutorial, CSS tutorial, XPath tutorial. In today's video, we're going to discuss about Page Object Model Principle 2. Mainly, the Principle 2 states don't make any assertions in the page object class. So let's look into this principle now. For that, I have created two different pages, login page.java and home page.java. And we are going to create methods, say suppose for example sign in here. When you sign in, it will try to sign in successfully, navigate to the home page. In the home page, you will be having a message say login successfully. So you will get this message from the home page.java. So when you go and validate this, you go and validate in the login test.java, you will have to validate this text via an assertion like asset equals what is your actual comma expected. So you should not do any assertions in the get message. You can write a method as public string get message so that what happens, you can try to return the string, and that string return the string, and this string will be stored in the actual of the login test, will be compared against expected. So in the page object classes, login page, home page, we should not do any of the assertions in the page object classes. If you look into the example, we already have login page and we have written different methods: set username, set password, click on sign in. All these three methods are called in another method, but this method, when you try to log in, it will navigate to the home page. So this method, once you log in successful for the valid user, it will navigate to the home page. So this will return the object of the next page class. When you go to home page now, in the home page there is a method already written get login message, which returns a string. So now, how are we going to put an assertion now? If you would like to put an assertion, go to login test now. We have to create an object for the login page. Page equal to new login page. Just pass the driver. It will try to invoke the parameterized constructor in the login page. Login page lpage dot click on sign in. When you call this method, returns and what is the outcome of this method? Let me try to call the method which will try to log in now. Login valid user. So we can pass say Selenium as username and Selenium123 hash as a password. And here this method returns a home page as an outcome. So just go to home page, H page here, then H page, the home page dot get login message. Once we log in successful, we get the login message. One important point, we are not creating an object of this class. The reason being, this method returns an object of the class and stored in this variable. Then we are calling get login message. We are getting this as your actual message. Then if you would like to put expected here, yes, expected also added, say login successful. Then we have to add an assertion as asset equals actual comma expected. So assertions should not be done in the page object classes. We have to make assertions only in the test cases. After calling the methods, get the outcome, store it in a variable, and compare the outcome of the variable against expected variable, then mark the test case as pass or fail accordingly by the test case. So the conclusion is, can we make assertions in the page object class? The answer is, conclusion is no. Assertions are made only in the test class only. So this is the conclusion. If you like my video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.